Welcome to JH. Nugenix Multivitamin offers a comprehensive mix of over 20 vitamins and minerals, along with fancy-sounding ingredients like boron and spectra, which sounds more like a Bond villain's organization than a health supplement. It's designed to go beyond the basics to support energy, stamina, and overall men's health, because apparently, just getting out of bed has become a high-performance sport. Many consistent users report feeling more energized and focused throughout the day, making it a convenient way to fill those nutritional gaps you've likely ignored for years. The main catch here is the cost, as it's significantly more expensive than the standard vitamins you'd find at a gas station. Results tend to vary wildly. While some people feel like they've found the fountain of youth, others feel absolutely nothing, which is a pretty expensive way to stay exactly the same. You might also get to experience fun side effects like stomach upsets or mild headaches. As always, it's probably a good idea to talk to a doctor before starting, if only to hear them tell you to eat an actual vegetable for once. Overall, Nugenix can be a solid choice if you're willing to invest in a premium formula and pair it with actual healthy habits. Just remember that it's intended to be extra support rather than a magic pill that cancels out your late-night pizza habit. It's a supplement, not a miracle, so don't expect it to do all the heavy lifting for you.